When it comes to heat pumps for cold climates, there are several factors to consider. Efficiency, noise, and warranty are just a few of the key considerations. Additionally, it's essential to think about sizing, manual J, matched equipment, climate, ducts, fuel, electrical service, installer quality, and local parts support. By taking the time to research and compare different models, you can find the best heat pump for your home and enjoy reliable and efficient heating all year round. Our recommended models include the Daikin FITDH7VS, Bosch IDS Premium Connected R454B, and Lennox SL25XPV, all of which offer excellent performance and efficiency in cold climates.